Hello and welcome to Dartmoor. Today I am really excited. I've got a brand new toy. I've traded in my old antique GoPro camera and brought the latest one, the GoPro 10. So I'm super excited to try it out, and what better place than Dartmoor. So join me, what hopefully will be a great, interesting run. And if you're wondering what that was behind me, this is the Ditsworthy Warren house. It was used in 2010 as a location for the Steven Spielberg film War Horse. I'm at Drizzlecombe now, and there's quite a few burials or cairns scattered around this area as we're coming to have a visit. You've also got the amazing Drizzlecombe stone rose. Let's go and have a look. This is Nuns Cross Farm. Imagine living there and farming there. I mean, look how remote it is. What a place. Oh, I'd love to live there. And of course, next to Nuns Cross Farm, you have Nuns Cross. I actually included this in my last video, but it was a very windy day and you couldn't hear an awful lot, but it's an interesting farm. It's about 1 mile on the track here from Princetown. So you can walk it, nice easy walk to Nuns Cross Farm and beyond it. Wow, you just can't beat this. Look at this. I'm inside an enclosure here. I'm also looking at Coombs Head Tor. In the distance there, Sheep's Tor, Down Tor. Beyond here is Burr Tor. You've also got a stone row here up to a stone circle. This is an amazing stone row which leads up to an impressive stone circle at the end. I love this place. This is Cuckoo Rock. I love the name, Cuckoo Rock. Sunshine on Dartmoor.